Hey guys, so today I'm going to do another unboxing video, and this is from Madam Glam, and they sent me some polishes and don't mind my nails. The left side are broken right now because I played some bowling balls, so yeah, don't mind that. So I will just do a unboxing and see what they sent me. So this is how the box looks like. I already opened it, but I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. So this is how it looks like. They sent me a base gel, top coat, and this color gel. This is called Gentle Coral, and this one is called Rosy Nude. So yeah, I love the color. I will also do a swatching of these two colors and see if they are pigmented or not. So all of their polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free formula. So that is good. Let's just see how the brush looks like, if there's any damage or not. So yeah, these are good, no problem. There's just a few scratch right here, and also here there's some few scratch. I don't know why, but this is the top coat. So that is fine, and this one also has some scratches. And let's see the brush. Okay, there's no problem. Looks very pigmented. And this one, there's a lot of scratch. I don't know why. So there's no problem as well. So everything looks good except that there's a bit of scratches on the bottle. So now let's move on to the swatching video. final look, guys. I love this color. They really match the color in the picture on their website, and also the bottle itself. Like, it really does match. Like, as you guys can see, they are really pretty. The smell of their gel is not so strong. The gel smells like kind of like a sweet, and the top coat also requires a wipe after you finish curing it, because it does have a sticky layer, so you do have to wipe it with alcohol after. So yeah, overall I am happy with these products, and the gel are really thick. 2 coats is enough for this polish. I'm really happy with the outcome. What do you guys think? And I will link down their products down below, and make sure to check them out. And that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.